Alright everybody, welcome to DL-carst box break. This is 2013 Topps Tribute. Here's the box. Sealed. Good luck to everybody. Beautiful packaging. Here we go, pack one. Let's get that back card. Larry Doby. Roy Halladay. Base. Let's see. Nolan Ryan base. There's the Halladay, our hit. Matt Cain, jersey card for the Giants. It's numbered out of 50. Numbered out of 50. Looks like an orange. There's one for you already. That's a good start. And our parallel, Billy Williams, gold. Numbered out of 25 for the Cubs. Nice. Alright, decent start. Gold parallel's good. Nice orange swatch on that cane. Pack two. And base cards on back. Cole Hamels, base. Justin Verlander, base. Ryan Zimmerman, base. Jared Weaver. And Dwight Gooden, jersey. With a nice pinstripe, numbered out of 99. Still looking for our first auto. There'll be three of them. David Price, base. Ken Griffey Jr., base. Andrew McCutchen, base. David Freese, base. And our first auto. Not an auto. Justin Verlander, dual mem card. Thought that was an auto because it was horizontal, but incorrect. Nice looking card. Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Alright, 3 packs left. 3 autographs. If Topps' word can be taken. Prince Fielder base. Al Kaline base. Joe Mauer base. CC Sabathia. Will Clark for the Rangers. Nice pull there. Nice on card. Nice job. See, people that show up to the break get hits. That's both you guys got a hit. Will Clark's a good one to pull. He's got a large collector base. On to pack 4. Carlos Gonzalez base. Mariano Rivera base. Robinson Cano. Yadier Molina. Oh. Brandon Phillips. Numbered out of 25. Nice low numbered card there for the Reds. Very nice. Numbered out of 25. He's a guy that hasn't signed a whole lot in recent years, I don't think. Not Topps products anyway. Last pack. See. Gotta hit a big one here. Gotta hit a big one. This is out of a case where has only sold a couple boxes. I was talking to my shop owner. Nothing good pulled out of it, including my box. Mike Trout base. Felix Hernandez base. Fergie Jenkins base. Strasburg and Mark Trumbo. Numbered out 15 for the Angels. That's a good one. Numbered out 15. It's a solid box. Nothing spectacular, but a Trumbo out of 15, a Phillips out of 25, and a Will Clark. Definitely solid box. So thanks everybody for participating in the break. Do a recap video up for those who couldn't make it. Of course, this video will also be posted. I guess a recap. You don't want to watch the recap, you want to watch the break. But I'll do a recap anyway if you don't want to sit through 5 minutes. So thanks everybody for joining. These cards will go out in the next day or two.